Let's make aloe vera juice. First, I went to the grocery store. I selected a very green, healthy aloe vera. I came to the house, I washed it. So, this is the way I'm going to cut it into sizable cubes. Now, after cutting them into those cubes, all I need to do is to get out that white jelly part of aloe vera. And that's what I'm just trying to do right now. So you can use your spoon, you can use a knife. So I scraped the clear gel and put inside my little blender. And I added some water. So here the measurement of the water is half to half. That is equal size, or rather let's say 1 to 1. So I covered it up and I blended it very smooth. After then I poured the juice. You see it to be a little bit cloudy kind of, but after settling that it becomes clear like water. So I poured it into my cup, voila. And that is your healthy aloe vera juice, and that is it. That is so it. There is no rocket science about this juice. And that is me taking it, and the benefits are numerous. So I'll just allow you to read the benefits of this wonder plant called aloe vera. Until then, I will see you in another video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Ngozi Atiti Vlogs for other healthy tips. If you drink this juice regularly, maybe bi-weekly or even weekly, you will have less complaints about health issues. And if you have already existing issues, especially if you have blood sugar, you will notice that you will not need your drugs. This is tested and trusted. Bye.